So here we have my old Magnaflow muffler from my Accent. Some of you might remember that. I know a lot of you are new. But this had a fluttering problem. I'll try to find an audio clip. But it fluttered horrendously when you went off the throttle. If you look closely, you'll see what they did. They stuffed the pipe in there and had a gigantic gap and filled that gap. Here, let me draw this out. This is what they did. They took the stock outlet pipe, didn't bother to expand it or anything, and filled it like so. Now there's two things wrong with this. One, they should have expanded that pipe. It would have fluttered like that as well. But however, they left this big gap, like so. So exhaust flowing, this is that perforated tube that's supposed to let exhaust gas and noise flow into the packing. But it flowed in, bounced around, some of it got out, but it bounced around here, creating turbulence, causing that fluttering noise. But let's cut this apart and see if there's anything else wrong, which I doubt, but Magnaflow gave me such a problem that makes me think, is there something else wrong with it? Alright, here it is, Magnaflow Magnapack cut apart. And we get to see clearly what the exhaust company, or the exhaust shop did. They didn't even bother to expand that pipe that was actually part of the outlet of the stock muffler. But you get to see this part ain't separated. That part ain't separated. This wasn't even Magnaflow's fault, and they gave me such a big problem for it. But you get to see how they make it. They have, looks like steel wool and rock wool. And this Magnaflow Magnapack has quite a few miles on it, and actually looks in still very good condition. A lot of people complain that Magnaflow mufflers blow out or burn out easily, but this has got quite a bit of packing still, and it's quite tight. I'm going to take it apart a little further. Okay, I'm going to stop right there. This rock wool is really messy, but it just goes to show that the build quality isn't bad. It's just that their customer service sucks.